Welcome to Tech Library, the channel that provides you all the information about technology. Today we're going to talk about an important topic: how to determine original Apple iPhone or a relaunched one. Given the fact that there are so many gadgets in circulation, it becomes almost important to identify some of the ways through which people can be assured of genuine devices. Here's what we'll cover in this video. The knowledge of what an original and what a refurbished iPhone is. Screenings that you can make toward your iPhone. Security tests and instruments whereby the actuality of a program can be ascertained. That being the case, let us briefly discuss what is meant by original and refurbished iPhones before we proceed to discussing the checking methods of the two. Original iPhone, cohesive item, unaltered or repaired, completely fresh from the production line of the manufacturer that created it. Refurbished iPhone, iPhones which were used before, and which Apple or an approved refurbished brought back to factory condition, that meets manufacturer's standard. Alright, let me first share the physical checks you can carry out on your iPhone in order to establish whether it is original or not. As for the external check, one should verify if the packaging is intact and if its labels match the product inside. The numbers should be written on the box, in one of the corners, the serial number and the IMEI. They should correspond to the numbers typed in the gadget. Can be done in the settings, general, about. First-generation iPhones possess good construction with the use of metals. Check for any areas where the screen does not meet the body or is not flush, any seams that are not perfectly aligned, because this means the phone was not well constructed. Buttons and ports of the first-generation iPhones are firm and are located in rather advantageous positions. Test if buttons work properly and if the ports are compatible with the accessories they are designed for. Well, moving to the next part, that is software checks, charm tolls, where it is possible to determine iPhone's authenticity. To get the IMEI number, dial Sakshams Chaos 06 Hawarms on the iPhone and match the number with the one located in settings or general about. Check the IMEI number on the official website of Apple or use currently existing IMEI check services of popular third-party dealers. Apple offers the Apple Support app you can download and use to confirm the warranty of your iPhone and its repairs. First-generation iPhones are highly likely to have a complete warranty and history of repairs from Apple. Go to iCloud at http://www.google.com activation lock, and then you will be required to enter the device's IMEI number or serial number to know whether activation lock is on or off. This is because activation lock status can reveal the possibility of the device having been reset, not at its optimum state. There you have it. After following these steps, one can be sure that the iPhone that they are using is new and not a refurbished one. Nevertheless, one needs to be wiser while purchasing second-hand devices to prevent such problems in the future. If you have benefited from this video, do not forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Library for more technological videos and guides. Thank you for watching.